In this video, I will show you how to fix the problem of iPhone contact names not showing up during incoming calls. To start fixing this problem, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once in Settings, tap on your name at the top of the screen. Now, tap on iCloud. Here, you'll see various apps and features that use iCloud. In the Save to iCloud section, tap on See All to view everything linked to your account. Scroll down until you find Contacts. Make sure that it's toggled on. If it's already enabled but still not working, let's refresh it. Toggle off the switch next to Contacts, and when prompted, select Keep on my iPhone. Then toggle it back on again. Now that you've refreshed your Contacts sync, check if this resolves your issue by having someone call you. If contact names are still not appearing during calls, return to the main settings page. Scroll down all the way to find apps. Tap on the search bar at the bottom and type in Contacts, then hit Search. Select the Contacts app from your search results. Scroll down within Contact Settings until you reach Short Name. If it's enabled, ensure it's set to first name only. Additionally, toggle on Prefer Nicknames if you'd like them displayed instead. If none of these solutions worked so far, try signing out of your Apple account and then signing back in. This can help reset any lingering issues. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.